Hi guys, Luke here from Luke Tech Reviews, and today I'll be taking a look at the MagEZ case for my Google Pixel Fold. I want to say a big thank you to the team over at Pitaka for sending the case over for me to take a look at. All the thoughts and opinions in today's video will be my own, so with that in mind, let's jump in and get started. Okay, so I've got my Pixel Fold here in black. Super nice looking phone, really enjoying the device over the last week. And the guys at Pitaka, as I said earlier, were really kind and sent me over their MagEZ Case 3 for the Pixel Fold. Pitaka are one of my favourite case brands, and after testing the cases on the iPhone 14 Pro Max, which was the first one I ever tried, I was thoroughly impressed. They're a premium brand and their cases are always really nice. So let's get this out of the box and have a look. Okay, so in the box you can see we got a thank you note, and straight away you're greeted with a really premium unboxing. You've got the really nice looking MagEZ case, so let's get this out. Okay, so as you can see, the case, as most folding cases, come in two parts. So you've got the front of the case and the back of the case, which goes on the back of the phone. These are super thin, but because they're made of aramid fibre is actually made a stronger steel. If you look on Pitaka's website, it shows you the way they wove it. It makes it one of the more strong cases that you can buy. So despite it being really thin, it's actually quite protective. So I'll start with the front of the case. The pointy bits you want to stick on the inside of the phone. The back plate part you just slot in, hinge first. There you go. So straight away, my immediate impression as always is this is a really nice premium case. The feel of it is really soft, doesn't leave fingerprints, which is really nice. And the style of it is super cool. Just at the bottom here you have the Pitaka branding, and you've got these two tone colours going on, which you get on a lot of the Pitaka cases, and a nice red stripe down the middle. So straight away, first impression is probably my favourite case for the Pixel Fold so far. Okay, so looking at the camera protection, so you get a nice rim that goes around the outside of the camera, and the camera is really recessed, so quite impressed with the protection you get there. I do have a tempered glass camera lens protection on, so that does help as well, but as far as the case goes, it's really protective, so quite impressed there. Moving around to the side where the hinge is not covered up, but it's really tricky to make a case for the side of the hinge because it's a moving part. So let's move around to the front. So as you can see, there's a nice rim that covers all the edge of the screen, so you've got a good raised protection. So if you want to lay your phone on the table, it's nice and protected, so you don't have to worry about it getting scratched. And moving around to the sides and the top, so as you go down the side here, you've got this really nice smooth material that carries on. You've got a cutout for your buttons, so you don't have to worry about them being mushy or not too clicky. At the top you have your speaker cutout, microphone cutout, and just at the bottom more microphone cutouts, USB-C cutout, and a nice speaker cutout. As I said, Pitaka are one of my favourite brands, and this case straight away does not disappoint. Another massive feature of this case, and something that isn't built in to the Pixel Fold itself, is the case actually comes with MagSafe. So if you own any MagSafe accessories, or you just switch over from the iPhone, you can actually carry on using your MagSafe accessories with this phone, because there is a magnet built into the inside of the case. So really nice move by Pitaka. Kind of hope a lot of other manufacturers follow suit. As for materials, as I mentioned earlier, we've got premium aramid fibre. It's nice and grippy, wireless charging support, and it's so slim and lightweight that you don't really feel like you're wearing a case. Okay, so moving on to prices, you're looking at £63 in the UK and around $79 in the US. As I said, my thoughts, I really like the case, and I want to say a massive thank you again to Pitaka for sending this over. If you like the case and you're interested in purchasing it, I'll leave a link in the description down below. Whilst you're there, please hop in the comments and let me know what do you think of this case and what are your thoughts on the Pixel Fold so far. I'm really enjoying the phone itself, and the case from Pitaka is my favourite case so far, as I mentioned earlier. Quick summary: nice stylish case, really premium feeling, nice and thin, and decent protection. As for today, I'm Luke from Luke Tech Reviews. See you next time.